to my YouTube channel Mathematics by Vimal Srivastav. In the last video of trigonometric identity, I explained what are the main identity like sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta and cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Now अभी हम उस टॉपिक को कंटिन्यू करते हुए कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. Now so the question is 1 plus sin A upon cos A plus cos A upon 1 plus sin A equal to 2 sin A. As I already told in the previous video, always we take LHS, and if is there any function except sine or cosine, we change into form of sine function or cosine function. But here the question is already in the form of sine and cosine. So what we have to do? We just take the LCM and solve. So the LCM of cos A and 1 plus sin A, that is cos A into 1 plus sin A. Now when we simplify, it will be 1 plus sin A whole square plus cos square A upon cos A into 1 plus sin A. Now by the identity of A plus B whole square, we can expand 1 plus sin A whole square, that is 1 plus sin square A plus 2 sin A plus cos square A. We know that cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1. So it is equal to 1. So can we write 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin A upon cos A into 1 plus sin A equal to. Now it is 2 plus 2 sin A. Can we take common 2 from the numerator? Yes. So it is 2 into 1 plus sin A upon cos A into 1 plus sin A. Now 1 plus sin A in the numerator is cancelled with 1 plus sin A in the denominator. So 1 upon cos A, we know that sec A. So 2 upon cos A, that is equal to 2 sec A. That is the right hand side of this question. Now next question. Prove that cos cube A plus sin cube A upon cos A plus sin A plus cos cube A minus sin cube A upon cos A minus sin A equal to 2. So again we take the LHS, that is cos cube A plus sin cube A upon cos A plus sin A plus cos cube A minus sin cube A upon cos A minus sin A. Now in algebraic identity we know that the identity of AQ plus BQ and AQ minus BQ. So the identity AQ plus BQ, that is A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. Similarly AQ minus BQ equal to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. So we just explain cos cube A plus sin cube A by the identity of AQ plus BQ and cos cube A minus sin cube A by the identity of AQ minus BQ. So here cos A plus sin A is cancelled out with the denominator. Here cos A minus sin A is cancelled out again with the denominator. So what are the remaining terms? The remaining terms is cos square A plus sin square A minus cos A sin A plus cos square A plus sin square A plus cos A sin A. Now it is minus cos A sin A. It is plus cos A sin A. Can we cancel out? Yes, we can cancel. So the remaining is cos square A plus sin square A, cos square A plus sin square A. So we can write 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Now next question. Now the next question is tan theta plus sin theta upon tan theta minus sin theta. We have to prove that equal to sec theta plus 1 upon sec theta minus 1. Again we take LHS. Now here that is tan theta plus sin theta. So we will replace tan theta in terms of sin theta and cos theta. We know that tan theta simply it is the ratio of sine and cosine. So in place of tan theta we will put sin theta upon cos theta in the numerator, same sin theta upon cos theta in the denominator. Now let's take the LCM. So LCM will be cos theta. So that is sin theta plus sin theta cos theta upon cos theta divided by sin theta minus sin theta cos theta upon cos theta. Now the cos theta and cos theta it will be cancelled. From numerator and denominator, can we take common sin theta? Yes. So when we take sin theta common from numerator and denominator, that is sin theta into 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta into 1 minus cos theta. Now sin theta is cancelled out. But we have to prove in terms of sec. But here it is cos theta. So we will replace cos theta in terms of sec theta. We know that cos theta equal to 1 upon sec theta. So in place of cos theta, we will write 1 upon sec theta in numerator and denominator. When we take the LCM, that is sec theta plus 1 upon sec theta upon sec theta minus 1 upon sec theta. Now sec theta is cancelled out. So the remaining terms is sec theta plus 1 upon sec theta minus 1. That is the right hand side of this question. Now next question, prove that cot a minus 1 upon 2 minus sec square a equal to cot a upon 1 plus 10. So we know that the second identity, that is sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So we can write in place of sec square a, that is 1 plus tan square a. So first replace sec square a by 1 plus tan square a. Now outside the bracket it is minus sign. So it will be 2 minus 1 minus tan square a, or the resulting term will be, that is cot a minus 1 upon 1 minus tan square a. Now we replace cot and tan in terms of sin theta and cos theta. Cot theta, that is the ratio of cos and sin, and tan theta, that is the ratio of sin and cos. So we can write cos a upon sin a minus 1 upon 1 minus sin square a upon cos square a. Now take the LCM in numerator as well as in denominator. So it will be cos a minus sin a upon sin a divided by cos square a minus sin square a upon cos square a. So we can write cos a minus sin a upon sin a into cos square a upon cos square a minus sin square a. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. So we can expand a square minus b square as a plus b into a minus b. So cos square a minus sin square a, we can write that is cos a plus sin a into cos a minus sin a, like this. Now in the numerator cos a minus sin a, in the denominator is also cos a minus sin a. So both terms will be cancelled out. So the remaining terms are cos square a upon sin a. Now from cos a plus sin a, take common cos a. So when we take common cos a, it will be 1 plus sin a upon cos a. Now this cos a is cancelled out with cos square a. So it will be in the numerator cos a, denominator sin a. So cos a upon sin a, we can write cot a, and the ratio of sin a upon cos a, we know that it is tan a. So it is proved cot a upon 1 plus tan. Now the next question is 1 upon sec a plus tan a minus 1 upon cos a equal to, prove that 1 upon cos a minus 1 upon sec a minus tan a. So first we take the left hand side, that is 1 upon sec a plus tan a minus 1 upon cos a. Now 1 upon sec a plus tan a. So here we rationalize the denominator. Means the numerator and denominator, it should be multiplied by sec a minus tan a. So in the numerator it will be sec because it is multiplied by 1. So that is sec a minus tan a upon. Now a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So numerator, that is sec a minus tan a upon sec square a minus tan square a. Now from the second trigonometric identity, we know that sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta, or we can write sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So in place of sec square a minus tan square a, I can write 1, and minus 1 upon cos a is as it is. So numerator it will be sec a minus tan a. Now 1 upon cos a, we can write it is a sec a. So that is sec a minus tan a minus sec a plus sec a minus sec a, it will be cancelled. So what is the LHS after solving? After solving, the LHS is equal to minus tan a. Now we solve the right hand side like this. The right hand side is, that is 1 upon cos a minus 1 upon sec a minus tan a. Again here rationalize the denominator. Means the numerator and denominator both should be multiplied by sec a plus tan a to the numerator and sec a plus tan a to the denominator. Since it is multiplied by 1, so it is sec a plus tan a as it is. And 1 upon cos a, we can write it is sec a. So that is sec a minus sec a plus tan a. Again, a minus b into a plus b. That is a square minus b square. So we can write sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. So that is minus sec a. Now sec a plus tan a and the outside minus sign. So the sign inside the bracket it will be changed. So sec a minus tan a. These two terms will be cancelled out. So the RHS that is also equal to minus tan a. So we can prove LHS is equal to RHS. Now next question. Prove that under root 1 plus cos a upon 1 minus cos a equal to cosec a plus cot a. We take the LHS under root 1 plus cos a upon 1 minus cos a. Now again here rationalize the denominator. Means the numerator and denominator both should be multiplied by 1 plus cos a. Now 1 plus cos a multiplied by 1 plus cos a. We can write 1 plus cos a whole square. Now here a minus b into a plus b. The identity a square minus b square. So we can write 1 minus cos square a. And 1 minus cos square a that is sin square a. So we can write 1 plus cos a whole square upon sin square a. Now when we take the square root, the power will be cancelled. So we can write 1 plus cos a upon sin a. When we break, we can write 1 upon sin a plus cos a upon sin a. Now 1 upon sin a that is cosec a and cos a upon sin a that is cot a. So the final answer is cosec a plus cot a. और यही हमको प्रूव करना था. Now the next question is prove that sin theta plus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta equal to sec theta plus cosec theta. So we take the LHS. Sin theta plus cos theta as it is. Now convert tan theta and cot theta in terms of sine and cosine function. So we can write tan theta equal to sin theta upon cos theta plus cot theta equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Now take the LCM. So it will be sin theta plus cos theta that is as it is. When we take the LCM and simplify, it will be sin square theta plus cos square theta upon sin theta into cos theta. Now we know that from first identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So the numerator will be sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. Now just break out the term. We can write sin theta upon sin theta into cos theta plus cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta से sin theta cancel, cos theta से cos theta cancel. So it is 1 upon cos theta. It is 1 upon sin theta. We know that 1 upon cos theta that is sec theta, 1 upon sin theta that is cosec theta. So the term is sec theta plus cosec theta, that is the right hand side. Now the last question. Prove that under root sec square a plus cosec square a equal to tan a plus cot a. So we take the LHS. We know that the second identity that is sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta, and the third identity that is cot sec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So sec square theta replaced by 1 plus tan square a, cosec square a replaced by 1 plus cot square a. Now we can write tan square a plus cot square a. Now 1 plus 1 2. So we can write 2 into tan a into 1 upon tan a. Now tan square a plus cot square a, 2 into tan a. We know that 1 upon tan a that is cot a. So 2 tan a cot a. Now it looks like a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can write under root tan a plus cot a whole square. When we take the under root, the square and root power will be cancelled out. So the remaining terms that is tan a plus cot a equal to RHS. अगर आप सभी को आज का वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.